Let's just start with this 0.5 percentage point VAT increase. Just explain to us exactly how will it affect us. For instance, if I'm paying 23 rands currently for bread, how much will I pay if this budget is passed?
Hi, good morning. This is actually a very complex sum to make because of the fact that when you look at the expenditure patterns of different income groups, they differ vastly, and it'll depend, for example, on your expenditure. Because remember, there's quite a lot of items that's currently zero rated. So if you, for example, mostly buy quite a lot of those items, the VAT will have less of an impact on you. While, for example, if you buy more luxury items and items that's not zero rated, the implication of that would be that you would then pay higher VAT. And that's also why the minister has actually indicated that about three-quarters of the total VAT amount that will be raised via this 0.5% increase will accrue to the higher income groups in South Africa.
Sure. All right. So the 3-year public sector wage agreement, it will cost government an additional 23 billion rand. What are the potential implications of this for the national budget?
Well, I think what we're seeing at the moment is that the various things that need to be funded by the budget has increased quite a lot during recent years.